In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cut out one shape from another in Photoshop using subtract front shape. We'll keep this simple and clear, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to create a clean cutout using Photoshop's vector shape tools. First, head to the toolbar and choose a shape tool. You can pick rectangle, ellipse, polygon, or custom shape, whatever suits your design. The shortcut for cycling through shape tools is the U key, which makes switching quick while you work. Before you draw anything, look to the options bar at the top and set the mode to shape. This is important. Shape mode creates vector shapes with editable paths which stay crisp at any size. If you accidentally choose pixels or path, you won't get the result we want, so double check that shape is selected. Now draw your first shape on the canvas. This will act as the base that we're going to cut into. Think of it like the background material. If you want a perfect square or circle, you can hold shift while dragging, but any shape works here. Use a fill color that makes it easy to see your work. Contrast helps you preview the cutout cleanly. With that base shape in place, draw another shape directly on top of it. This second shape will be the cookie cutter that removes material from the base. Make sure the original shape layer is still active when you draw, so Photoshop adds this new path to the same shape layer. That way, the subtraction happens in one place and remains fully editable. Next, in the options bar, find the Path Operations control. It's a drop-down with icons that describe how paths interact. Open that menu and choose Subtract Front Shape. Instantly, the top shape cuts through the bottom one, leaving a hole in the exact outline of the shape you drew on top. If the result doesn't update, click once with the Path Selection tool to ensure the path is selected, then confirm Subtract Front Shape is applied. A few tips as you refine. You can move the cutout by selecting the path and dragging it. You can resize it with the transform handles. And because these are vector shapes, everything stays smooth and non-destructive. If you change your mind, just switch Path Operations back to